Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to this particular video series, which is Find the Right Career in 21 Days. So, we have already covered a few career clusters, and this is day 7 when we are talking about engineering and technology. So, today, careers. हम सब जानते हैं कि इंजीनियरिंग इज सो पॉपुलर नाउअडेज अर्लियर ऑल्सो इट वाज वेरी पॉपुलर. Why is it popular? Why it has so wide reach among students, parents, teachers, everywhere? So why this career cluster is so important, and why everyone is talking about or thinking about becoming an engineer before they start, or before they start planning about any particular career. So let's have a look on why this is so important and why it has been uh, the most prominent choice or most common choice of the students. So we would be talking here about career cluster. We would be talking about why this, what is this engineering and technology, then type of courses it has, specialization, subjects required, working environment, competencies required, earning and growing opportunities, whether this particular career cluster is open for specially able persons or not, real life heroes who have already performed in this particular careers, college universities, and entrance exam. So let's get started. So our career cluster for the day is engineering and technology. Engineering and yeah. So today we would be talking about engineering and technology. Let's have a look. What is engineering and technology? If you are, actually very fascinated about the designs, about the production, about the machines, और वो किसी भी टाइप की मशीन हो, चाहे एक छोटी सी मशीन हो, चाहे एक बहुत बड़ा एरोप्लेन, लेकिन अगर आपको ऐसी सारी चीजें बहुत ज्यादा फैसिनेट करती हैं, या फिर आपको लगता है कि यस आई वांट टू डू समथिंग, आई वांट टू क्रिएट, आई वांट टू इन्वेंट समथिंग, देन दिस पर्टिकुलर करियर क्लस्टर इज समथिंग विच यू मस्ट लुक इनटू. Engineering and technology is a broad set of subjects that deal with everything connected to designs, manufacture, and maintenance of the infrastructure, devices, tools, and information systems used by a society on a daily basis. मतलब ऐसी कोई भी मशीन जो हम रेगुलर में यूज कर रहे हो, भले वो एक छोटा सा कोई प्रोडक्ट हो, या एक छोटी सी मशीन जो हम किचन में यूज कर रहे हो, हमारे ऑफिस में यूज कर रहे हो, या फिर कहीं और यूज कर रहे हो, कोई भी तरह की मशीन जो ऑटोमेटिकली काम कर रही है, उसके बारे में पढ़ना, उसके डिजाइन बनाना, उसका रिपेयर एंड मेंटेनेंस देखना, या किसी भी तरह से उससे रिलेटेड रहना अगर आप चाहते हैं, देन दिस पर्टिकुलर करियर क्लस्टर इज फॉर यू. Yes, engineering and technology is a very popular option for the students, and they mostly look into this particular area. However, uh, however, it is a fact that students most often avoid thinking about, or they don't even know कि उनके पास में कौन से options है in this particular cluster, क्योंकि there are a set of more than 40 specialization, and then under that also you have many सुपर स्पेशलाइजेशन इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया. लेकिन अगर इनके बारे में जाने बगैर ही अगर आप को कोई भी अगर आप कोई भी डिसीजन लेते हैं, देन आई मस्ट से कि यू आर नॉट डूइंग जस्टिस टू योर ड्रीम्स और टू दिस पर्टिकुलर specialization. So yes, do have a look on what all things we have in this particular cluster. Now, type of courses. If we talk about type of courses, we do have professional degree courses in this particular cluster, and also we have some diploma and शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्सेज जिनको हम आईटीआई बोलते हैं, या फिर डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज बोलते हैं, जिनको वोकेशनल कोर्सेज बोलते हैं, जिनके अंदर डायरेक्टली ट्रेनिंग प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है. सो वी हैव कॉम्बिनेशन, एंड मेनी स्पेशलाइजेशंस आर अवेलेबल in both these type of courses. Now let's talk about the specialization. Now as you can see that there is a list of more than 40 specialization in this particular cluster. Not only specialization, but there are more than you know more than 10 super specialization in each of this particular cluster also. So specialization ke under bhi there are many super specialization which are available. So just to have a broad look on this, let's talk about let's discuss what are the specialization broadly so that you can have a clear understanding on what options you have. Let's start with that. First is aeronautical engineer or aerospace engineer, automobile engineer, biomedical engineer, chemical engineer, electrical engineer, electronics and telecommunications engineer. Then give me a moment, I'll just adjust it for a better understanding of yours. Okay. Electronics and telecommunication engineer, environmental engineer, green technologist, agricultural engineer, biochemical engineer, bionics engineer, civil engineer, electronics and communication engineer, energy engineer, food energy scientist, industrial engineer, artificial intelligence engineers, AI expert, biological engineer, building engineer, computer engineer, electronics design engineer, engineering physicist, geological engineer, manufacturing and production engineer, marine engineer, nanotechnologist, petroleum and petrochemical engineer, robotics and automation engineer, textile engineer, materials scientist engineer, metallurgical engineer, naval architect and ocean engineer, paramedical scientist, technologist, rubber technologist, transportation engineer, mechanical engineer, mining engineer, nuclear engineer, plastic and polymer engineer, sound audio engineer, and water resource engineer. So under this particular category, again, you have many super specialization. So this is a very broad concept of very broad subject selection or a specialization under this category of engineering and technology. So as we all know that engineering is somehow related to calculation or somehow related to numbers and everything. So the subjects required for this particular career cluster is physics, chemistry, maths, computer, and any other specific subject knowledge as per specialization. What does that mean is, if you are looking forward for only super specialization in particular area, then that particular knowledge is a must. But if you are just starting off with right after your boards or your 10th, then you can choose for physics, chemistry and maths as a primary subjects in this particular area. So let's have a look on what kind of working environment can you expect in this particular career. So mostly you would be working indoor because you would be focusing on machine design or something related to machine which are indoor. अगर वो outdoor कहीं fit हो तो बात अलग है, but otherwise mostly this working is in indoor. Then you need to be social, you need to be responsible for your job. Working with labor would be a crucial thing in this and an important thing to understand. Mostly manufacturing industries, practical and theory knowledge is must. Soft spoken and good communication skill will help you to communicate with the corporates and the labor because you would be dealing with both of them. Now designing and evaluating of the designs, you need to be innovative in your thing so that you can perform better in few specialization. Working under intensive environment, ऐसा हो सकता है कि to make a machine or to design a machine, you have to work under tremendous heat or sometimes under tremendous pressures as well. So make sure that you understand the working environment deeply when you choose your specialization or super specialization. Now competencies required for this particular career are problem solving, listening skills, interpreting, coordination, supervising, communication skills, reasoning, challenging areas, realistic work in teams, intelligence, expertise in subjects, numerical skills, intense investigative skills, production and processing, process and operation controlling, technology design and drawing, spatial ability, and computer hardware and software skills. So these are the major skills which you must, master if you want to grow in this particular career. Let's talk about earning and growing opportunities. So as we when we talk about the present requirement of this particular area, then we can see that there are so many people who are working under this particular area, but अभी भी उनको बहुत सारा इवोल्यूशन हो रहा है चारों तरफ, कभी डिजिटल के लिए, कभी मैकेनिकल के लिए, कभी इसके लिए. सो देयर इज अ स्कोप. प्रेजेंट रिक्वायरमेंट भी काफी है एंड फ्यूचर स्कोप इज ऑलवेज इवॉल्विंग, क्योंकि हम कहीं ना कहीं इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं टेक्नोलॉजी की तरफ. और इसी तरह से अगर हम कभी भी देखें तो वी डू हैव रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया. तो अगर आप स्कोप की बात करें तो यस, देयर इज अ प्रेजेंट स्कोप एंड रिक्वायरमेंट, एंड फ्यूचर स्कोप भी काफी ब्राइट एंड अच्छा है. बट कंडीशंस अप्लाई ये है कि यू मस्ट बी मास्टरिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर areas so that you can also grow with the growing pace of the evolution. So there is a scope for this particular region everywhere. Now let's talk about whether this particular area is open for specially able persons or not. Yes, this is open, and generally acid attack victim, mild physical disability, laparoscopy cured person, cerebral plasma, dwarfism, low vision people, hard of hearing, deaf, and specific learning disability peoples can work under this particular area. हाउएवर ऐसे बहुत सारे सुपर स्पेशलाइजेशन है या स्पेशलाइजेशन है जहाँ पे ये लोगों जहाँ पे स्पेशली एबल्ड पर्सन्स won't be allowed, जहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर हो. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस दे कैन हैंडल, if they can handle it comfortably, then it is open for them. Now let's talk about the real life heroes in this particular area. So निकिता गोयल इज अ ब्लॉकचेन आर्किटेक्ट, जिसने आज आप देखते होंगे कि ब्लॉकचेन, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और इन सब का बहुत ज्यादा स्कोप बढ़ता जा रहा है, बिकॉज वी आर मूविंग digitally and we are evolving towards a digital world. So obviously इन सारी चीजों का बहुत scope है, and there is a very bright future also. So you can go and research about Nikita Goyal if you want to know more about this. Also Kalpana Chawla, who is an astronaut एंड एन एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियर. हम सब इनके बारे में जानते हैं किस तरह से इन्होंने अपने आप को इवॉल्व किया है राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया. यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड चेक विद दैट. So let's talk about the college universities offering that course. There are many universities and colleges which are offering engineering and related courses. But yes, few famous and important colleges we would be talking about are IITs. All the IITs are come under this. NITs, BITS Pilani, Kalinga University Raipur, VNIT Pune, MIT Pune, JMI Delhi, Amity University, and honestly speaking, there are so many other universities all over the India who are offering very good and prominent courses in this particular region. So if you think about if you want to move to a particular location, you will surely find a good college in that region who is offering engineering and technology or related subjects. So you can surely look and have choose the one which suits you the best. Entrance exam and scholarship. So entrance exam, if we talk about entrance exam, JE and JE advanced are the major ones who you know who which you need to apply if you want to go ahead in this particular area. But beside that, you can also apply KCET, MHTCET, BITSET, KIIT, EE, VIT, EE, SRM, J triple E. So these are the basic ones which I'm talking about. But yes, there are many more exams which you can give. But if you want to focus on any few, if you want to focus on few exams in this, then I must say JE and JE Advanced is something you must look forward to. And other than that, you can always look for the colleges, and accordingly you can apply for the entrance exam for that particular college. That will help you in getting admissions as well and focusing on a particular area. So this was all about engineering and technology. However, I know this is a very wide very very wide एरिया जहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्पेशलाइजेशन है और बहुत कुछ बोला जाता है, बहुत कुछ बोला जा सकता है और समझाया भी जा सकता है. बट आई जस्ट डोंट वांट यू टू गेट कंफ्यूज्ड इन सो मेनी information overloaded on you. So just have a basic look on what kind of a things can be done. And if you feel that you have any kind of a query, or if you think you want to know more about something, a particular area or a particular specialization, do drop your comments in the comment section, or you can directly mail me on the link below. So you can just write down and post your queries, and I'll be happy to serve you. Bye bye, see you, have a nice day. Do watch and share this video. And yes, एक लास्ट बात, इन वीडियोस को बनाने के लिए हमें बहुत सारी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, बहुत सारा डेटा एनालाइज करना पड़ता है, पढ़ना पड़ता है. सो प्लीज़ 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 प्लीज़, अगर आपको ये वीडियो समझ में आ रही है, आपको अच्छी लग रही हैं, एंड यू फाइंड देम यूजफुल, प्लीज़ डू शेयर दैट विद समवन. क्योंकि आपका एक शेयर ज़रूर से किसी और का कन्फ्यूजन दूर कर सकता है और उसकी लाइफ भी बदल सकता है. सो प्लीज़ don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to like and drop your comments below this. Bye bye, see you, have a nice day.